Question number 5 is exactly like question number 4. So try it on your own and tell me the answer. Question number 6 is pretty much the same thing as the previous two questions, but we need a little more computation. So I'll tell you why, all right? So let's start off like the previous 3 questions. Whenever we have this x and 36, it would be a pain to go with the x plus 36 format, and it's going to make the equation a lot harder. So what I want to do is, let me make this picture bigger. So instead of taking the bigger triangle, take the 2 small triangles. All right, so triangle, let's name this as usual, A, B, C, and D. Triangle A, B, D is our first triangle. Triangle B, D, C is our second triangle. Put that 90-degree symbol over here. Go over the same rule we have. Hypotenuse of the first triangle, which is go opposite. We have AB over the hypotenuse of the second triangle, which is BC. Short leg of the first triangle is BD. Short leg of the second triangle is CD. Long leg of the first triangle is AD. Long leg of the second triangle is BD. So over here we have a problem. We do not know AB, the hypotenuse, and we have no way of finding it. So that's usually the one we chuck out, but we know BC. And over here, we are obviously going to choose 2 of these, and both of these have BD, and we do not know what BD is. But can we find BD? Well, we have 2 sides already given. You can find BD by the golden rule of all right-angled triangles, which is the Pythagoras theorem. So if you do not remember Pythagoras theorem or you want a refresher, let's go into it. So over here we have a right-angled triangle. For every right-angled triangle, the short leg square plus long leg square is equal to hypotenuse square. So over here, our short leg is BC square plus long leg is AB square is equal to the hypotenuse, which is AC square. So let's go over an example. Let's say this is 3, the length of this is 4. So what is the length of AC? So you do 3 square plus 4 square is equal to AC square. 9 plus 16 is equal to AC square. So AC square is equal to what? 25. Take the square root. 25 square root is AC, which is equal to 5. That's your answer. Let me do one more Pythagoras problem. So here they have given you the hypotenuse, that is AC, as 13. And we know the long side is 12. It doesn't matter if I write the long side first or the short side first. So, but don't forget the squares. So BC square. So 12 square is 144 plus BC square is equal to 13 square, which is 169. So you subtract 144 on both sides BC squared is equal to 25. BC is equal to 5. So now let's find out in this triangle what is BD. So this is A, B, C, and that was D. So the hypotenuse is BC. So BC square is equal to the short leg square, which is CD square, plus the long leg square. And that's what we don't know. All right, so BC square is 60 square is equal to 36 square plus BD square. So we have, use your calculator, it must be 3,600 minus, let me do 36 square. Just a second. I really need to get up. 36 square. There we go. 1296 is equal to 1296 plus BD square. All right, so you do 3600 minus 1296, and you get BD square is equal to 2304, and then you take the square root, which is 48. So BD is equal to 48. So let's go back to where we started. Okay, now we know BD, we know CD, and we don't know AB, so we can just chuck that. BD is 48, CD is 36, AD is X, and BD again is 48. So we have cross multiply. We have 36x is equal to 48 times 48, and find the answer. All right, 48 times 48 would be 2304 divided by 36, which is 64. X is equal to 64. Do that math and tell me if you get the same answer.